Are you tired of fruit flies? Don't worry, I got you covered. I tested this candle hack. It worked perfectly for me. Drive the flies away and keep my kitchen smell so lovely. All our ingredients will be listed in the description below. Let's get started. Melt your candle wax in a heat-safe container. This makes a base and it holds everything together. Don't forget to keep the wick for later use. Once it's done, pour in the wax into a candle mold. Add cinnamon stick or grounded one, whichever you have. Also add clove. Both release a warm and a spicy scent, which keeps the flies away. Then add half teaspoon of Repellent rub, that is the eucalyptus oil or menthol. This repel against flies, mosquito or ants. Now add 8 to 10 drops of lemon ginger essential oil. Lemon ginger help your home to smell so fresh and lovely. Mix well, add the wick back, hold it with something to prevent it falling back into the wax. Set aside until it's solid, light it up. This keeps flies away and help your kitchen to smell fresh and cozy. If you love this hack, please do give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and don't forget to turn up your notification bell. If you have seen my channel for the first time, you are most welcome. And to my amazing subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Your comments keeps me going. See you next time and bye for now.